Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now? Is this thing on? Does it work? Hello? Yes? Okay. I don't know why I started my PC and my mic was just off. Okay, it was in my the cable was in. I just plugged it out and put it back in and changed a few settings, but yeah, that was weird. Anyways, but yeah, welcome. Hello everybody. How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's doing well. Hopefully everybody's doing well. I just finished Dr. Stone. Ooh. Nice, nice. Mike was slacking off. 10 out of Mike was slacking off. But now Mike works. Mike was still asleep. Ads? About you. Let me chill a little bit. Let me chill. Okay. Let's see. My Wi-Fi's also slacking off. Over for me. Yeah, the ads are still there's still like 40 seconds of ads. Thanks for the hydrate, punch card. Appreciate it. Let me drink something. Oh my god. Already? Okay, so early for me in the morning. Accidental hydrate? Accidental hydrate? How do you accidentally redeem hydrate? Or did you want to redeem workout? Let's give you a workout. Um, I mean a combo? Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Let me put on some something that gets my blood pumping. Hold up. Hot spaghetti, let's go. I love this song so much. Let's go. I gotta put this on. Pizza Tower Addict? Yeah, the music's so good. Oh wait, hold up. Before I do that, the bot isn't even online. Streamer bot. Don't redeem anything right now. Okay? Um Alright, the bot is now on. Okay, TP commands work and everything. Alright, let's do my workout. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 push-ups. One more for the fans. 2. There we go. I see the Delta figurines on your table. They're cool. Oh yeah, the hero sword, hero scarf, and hero axe figurines, and of course Tenna. Who can forget Tenna? I also have ReZero figurines behind them, and a Sonic figurine behind Susie. The Sonic figurine I actually bought to give to my nieces, but I haven't seen them, or yeah, I haven't seen them in person yet. So yeah. All right, now let me put on some chill music because I'm gonna need it for the coding stream. All right. So, hopefully everybody's had a good day. Finished Dr. Stone, now I'm watching Freedom because Peak and the Odd Side is completely different. Oh yeah, Freedom is goated. I watched the first season, it's goated. Is the second season out? Yeah, I can't tell. You need icy merch for real, for real? Icy merch. Bro, icy merch would be so cursed. But it would be pretty fun. First episode of season 2, by the way. Nice, not bad. So you completed season 1. Yeah, season 1 was goated. Alright. Now it's time for the activity you've all been waiting for. 100%, right? You've all been waiting for this. More coding! Even Fate and Courage is playing in the background. like everybody just died. Of coding again. Yup, coding. Alright. Let me... Coding is easy? Oh yeah. Coding's really easy when you have help. No, it isn't. Even when you have help, it sucks. But when everything works, it's a good feeling. It's a really good feeling. Coding is fun and yeah. Sometimes it's fun. Sometimes you'll be crying on your bed because the code doesn't work. That's code for you. All right, there we go. To be honest, I enjoyed doing my pizza tower stuff. Yeah, gotten better at coding. Good job, good job. I also like doing an overall like this code because it's been pretty fun getting to talk with everybody and doing that in the background while also having commands and like the Deltarune system, the health HP bar. Y'all know any mobile coding apps looking interested in it now? Mobile coding apps? I can't help you there. Maybe somebody in chat can help you. I learned a lot of game maker language in a month. Good job, good job. Alright, so EP gifting. The issue from last time was so temperate. Yep. You could check on YouTube maybe if there's like good mobile apps to code or like internet, not even YouTube, just the internet. Check on your browser or something. I want to check. Tool limit, I used it before. You used it before? Oh dang. Nice. Okay, hold up. Let me. I think I have a link from last time. Send my friend a link so that I can maybe click on it. Maybe that'll help me out to do the code. My cast account's clearly joke dumb Gilbert Cat. Gilbert Cat. What's wrong with the Gilbert Cat? Alright, so let's check this out. Tells me that I can't convert into bool. So, how would I go about doing this? So if because I guess my account could be considered rare since it's called Gilbert. There we go. Gotta look at it from a different perspective, from a different angle. If int dot parse, I gotta do a value int. Okay. Int value. Boom. If int dot parse. I'm Rudens, my buster. First we mine, and then we craft. We call it Minecraft. You're supposed to be a hero, Brian. Hero Brian. I think I like that name. Alright, so int dot parse, try parse, int dot try parse. Try parse n, so int dot try parse main input. I feel after asking chat a question, not Google. Wonderful. That emo, bro. It's a casual special, casual staple, classic. It's such a good emote. Da, da, da. Come on, keyboard work. There we go. Out. Value? Is that how it works? Yep. Out value. Da, 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 da. Blah blah, have fun, I'm leaving now. Alright. Have fun, Oxy. You too, man. See ya. 20-day streak. Jesus. I want emotes feel after showing us text and chat, not an actual emote. I did my daily TP cap increase. Yup, I see it. There's this kind of cast Ballgrave soon. Not Ballgrave, bro. Not Ballgrave. The worst of all graves. The Ballgrave. Or if instead of Ballgrave with Snowball, you just threw a big snowball and it got rid of 50% of my HP. Yeah, a big enough snowball would do that. Yep, a very big snowball would be able to do that. Okay, so whoa. Hey, get out of here. Boom, I got the quick draw. Oh yeah. That was real fast. I got the quick draw now. I learned from Cat. You bought El Murdero? Crazy. Okay. Wait, hold up. Ooh. Success equals int try parse, right? Yep. Int try parse main input out value. There we go. And if success equals true, success equals true, return true. Return true. There we go. Oops, I removed the true. Return true. There we go. And else return bro. Okay, there we go. Else return false. That works, right? Semicolon expected? Where? Right here. File. Okay. So hopefully this works. Bum ba bum bum. Alright, let's try it. TP gift. Totally not cat. 10. False. Why is it false now? Hold up. Why is it false? Okay, okay. Guys are adding TV sprites or add more player sprites? Your call, punch card. I mean, Daptayo. Why is the return false now? Should be true, because input 1 is a yeah. Let's find refs too. Poop, I am robot. Click my scam website now. I will not click on your scam website. The gift. Really not cat. Haha. I should do false. Yeah. How much TP do I have? Is it because I have 0 TP it doesn't work? No, it shouldn't be, right? We'd be slowly becoming more popular. Yes, sir. The scam bots means I'm making I'm getting more popular, right? That's what it means, right? Okay, let me redeem intention max TP gift totally not at honey. It's still false for some reason. Why is it false? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I think you did it wrong. It says false. I see that. Maybe I need a different thing. Why does int dot try parse equal false even when the input is an integer? No. 12 TV sprites with all of them having more than 20 frames gonna be a pain. You got this, alright? You got this. We're both in it deep now. We're gonna be able to do this, both of us. No. 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Thanks for the hydrate. Decimal tripods for decimal number string? No, no. Do, 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 do. Okay, think about streaming soon just with that webcam and voice kind of removes the soul of stream or whatever. Hey, it's fine. Doesn't matter how you stream. If you want to stream and you enjoy streaming, then go for it. Makes random Deltarune menu noises. I mean, go for it. If you do a lot of streams and then you see, oh, I actually like this a lot, the streaming thing, then go for it. Having TV hurt sprite before the actual player hurt sprite. Oh my god. I'm here mostly alive, sorry for my absence. No worries, A-Rocks. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Creepy, can you turn creepy? Can you turn creepy? Can you the end is never the end, is never the end, is never the end, the Ba-da-da-da. Whoa! Thanks for the 2 bits, my boy.
Corky riding a corky while doing the corky dance.
Yep, same. Same. I really needed that right now. Oh my god. Oh. Same.
Same.
I'm not afraid to just be typing. Why do you say that about yourself, bro? What the hell is this? I have the flu or something, so I'll probably take COVID. Oh! That sucks. Hopefully you get better soon, A-Rocks. It's a weird seeing bit messages in creepy stream. Yeah, it doesn't really like the color, like the white color is can't read it very well, which sucks, but oh well. Need to find a solution for that as well. The 100-bit thieves are playing Black Ops 3 and then just come in here to terrorize me. Makes me happy every time Creepy earns a donut. His is now earning money. Yeah, this is like my if I could make it with this, it's like my dream job thing. So yeah, thank you so much. But these are my my IRL friends. Sanoshi and Kawasaki are my IRL friends. They're just coming to terrorize me, bro. But yeah, I appreciate the sentiment. Oh damn, really? Yep. Those are my IRL friends. Look, coming in to terrorize me.
Como Kawasaki.
100-bit thieves, bruh. W creepy friends. Yeah, W terrorizing. Terrorizing by throwing pennies at you? Exactly. Exactly. Are we deadass? No terror in the stream. Look,
No terror in this stream, we love you. You are a near one Easter egg bowman 6-7 creepy tear.
bro, there's no way you dropped the 6-7 in that, bro. Bro, you have so many badges. You have a moderator badge, founder badge, prime gaming, bro. Jesus. You have all the. You almost have all the infinity stones of badges on Twitch. Ads? Got you. Creepy Gas is not behind you? Oh, thank God. Thank God it's not Green Gasser. Let me check how long the ads is. Okay. 45 seconds. Let me wait a bit. Da, da, da. Besides you though? Where? Can't see Gaster. I guess my LV isn't high enough to see Gaster. Or my game breaking glitches. I haven't found enough game breaking glitches to see Gaster. My fun value isn't correct. He left? Did he say something about me and wingdings? Or did he just appear and then go? Not dark enough to see him? Yeah, exactly. Okay, how do can I like...
My friend has ads, so I will gift real quick cargo aga aga.
What was that? What was that? TTS. Gaga. Fireboat incident.
The fireboat accident.
Bro. Hey, I did it at the end, okay? I did it at the end. The channel has Gas's approval. Thank you, Wingasser, the royal scientist. Thank you for approving my channel. Wonderful. In parse string. Was Iceman mod? If you keep throwing pennies at me, you're not getting mod. How about this? The straight by the end stream crew will be a millionaire. No, it's like they're like throwing 2 cents at me. So yeah, it's gonna take a long time for that to happen. Okay. Let me how to uh how to use errors in if statements in C#. Cheese? Welcome cat, cheese. Would you like some cheese, Gromit? Would you like some cheese? I think I butchered that voice impression. I'm sorry. Don't kill me. And of course the TP cap increase. Yup. You have 190 now, right? You have 190 TP cap? Oh my god. You can almost do Snowgrave. Jesus. You can almost do Snowgrave and we haven't even added the incentives. I'm still struggling on TP gift. I don't need this. Already done it once, so yeah, true. Try catch blocks. Okay, how to use try catch in C#. 110 TP cap? You got a long way to go, donuts. But it will be worth it, trust me. To use try catch in C#, you wrap the code. You wrap the code that might throw an exception at try block, and have no exception at catch block. Alright, let's see it. Let me get rid of this. I hope Creepy doesn't get in some kind of snow grave. Yeah, that would suck now, would it? That would suck. It feels like he's in kind of coding grave. I don't know that code. I told you, I don't know that code. Fine, you wanna see what happens? Watch what happens when I implement a code I don't know. The program just breaks. Try catch. Watch what happens when I use a function I don't know. Exactly. Watch what happens when I start a stream with a broken mic. My watch streak is now the whole 18. 18 watch streak, Jesus. Respect. Your watch streak can now legally drink alcohol in Germany. Crazy. Okay, try. Don't let me whip you Wi-Fi. Hey, be kind to your Wi-Fi router, alright? It's trying its best. Jesus, outside. Somebody's using a leaf blower outside. Hopefully you can't hear that. Watch you can drink alcohol in all the countries that aren't cringe. True! Instead of crossing the lake, you use the broken code. Yeah, instead of crossing the lake, you just use a code that crashes the device, the device program, and then you just meet Gasser while he's like in his chair trying to code to implement chapter 6, and he's like, oh, I'm Wing Gasser, you're way too early, and then just resets your game. It's a factory reset. Yeah, exactly. Alright, try. What's the command for this? Int parse. Okay. Jesus. Can you hear the leaf blower? You can, right? Thank God. I hope. Int dot parse. You can hear the whistle? Bruh. Or you can't. Wait. Can you? Or you can't? Oh, you can. That is loud. Jesus. Yeah, maybe hold up. I should close my window. There we go. Isn't that much better? Whew. Much better. Int parse. Creepy factory reset your device for new fun level. You will see Gasser IRL. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll reset my player character to 0. Maybe I can meet Gasser. The wing scientist. The wing royal scientist. Wing Gasser. Alright. Main. How do I use that command? Da da da. Da 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 da. No. Ouch. Oh no. Don't start an ice shot combo right now. Please don't. Oh no. Does it go into death and get another TP increase? You can only do a TP increase 1 per stream. Oh my god. There's no way you're gonna start an ice shot combo on your own. Okay? There's no way. How much TP do you have? That's all I can do? Okay. Thank god. I was a little bit scared there. Broke now? Worth it. 100% worth it. Gave me 2 ice shocks to the face. But I'm not. Don't ice shock me, please. Don't do it. Worth it for the fear induced? Yep. Made you made my heartbeat go up for a little bit, not gonna lie. It kinda made me get worked up a little bit. Alright, convert. No, not convert. 80 ATP for ice shock. Oh, you have quite a bit of TP still. That's crazy. I'd have guessed you would have added 0, but apparently not. Input into parse in input. Try that. And then catch. Only 1k hope though? That's still a lot. You used a TP cap increase and attention max and you still have 1k hope? That's insane. Catch. I need 1k minimum for next stream TP cap up. True. So you can get Snowgrave. You can get Snowgrave the legit way. Catch. Exception. I'll use exceptions. Exception E would just do everything, right? Return false. I have first kill and first snow grave. My quick draw down match. Yeah, it's. Oh my god. I have awoken a demon. A demon cat. Are you sure you're not evil cat with the amount of TP cap increases and the amount of kills you got on bots? And our house burning to the ground. I remember I have to watch creepy stream. Yeah, so you go outside the house and do whatever that is, you know, get all your IRL stuff together and then you watch creepy stream, alright? That's how we do it. Or else I'll just give you a timeout. If you tell me your house burned down and the first thing you did is watching my stream, I'm giving you a timeout for like a week so you can get your stuff together and everything. Bruh. Nah, evil cat has 1 TP and killing boss isn't evil. Yeah, fair. Okay, so where do I put the true statement? Turn false. How to stop I'll stop the code with Sheesh, that is. Hopefully, it knows what I'm asking for. There we go. Return? It's return, okay. No. Wait, hold up. Down. Down. Da da da. Does this work? No. Does this work if I do it like this? Input? Oh. There we go. Do. Alright, let's see it. Actually, let me add a break. Turn false and break. One closing loop out of which to break or continue. Can I do if I do something like that? So that work? Turn false. That work? Turn false. Break. Else. Return. How to how to use if statements with try catch in C#. You can use if statements instead of try block to check conditions before executing throw exceptions. Okay. So I had the right idea. Just wrong order. The chat should be called creeplings. Creeplings. we got a name, right? We got clowns. We have a name already. And if Hong Kong. Exactly, Hong Kong. Int. That is correct. Return true. That work? Dun 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 dun. Int input. Not implicitly convert type int to bool. What? Where? Oh. Na, 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 na. Surely with the circus goers? The circus goers. Or the clown crew. The circus crew. The circus crew. Yeah, how do I go about doing this? I can't do it like this. What up? Yes, try. If I mean, I'll try like this for now. If num input turn true. That should work, right? Syntax? Where? 12. Now implicitly convert type int to bool. That sure is a creepy clown. Say that again. Say that again. This works now. Alright. Alright, save and compile. Let's see. Please work. This would be wonderful if this works. TV gift. Totally not cat 10. Why is it false, dude? Why is it false? It should be 10. It should be true. Why does this now work? Hold up. How to get how to get in the input one variable and use it in C# inside streamer bot. Yeah, can I check the input? Or can I check what are pending actions? What's the difference between input? Input escaped? What is the difference between that? Na, 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 na. Hmm. Hmm. Some with TV sprites? Nice. Good stuff. I move on to more custom music. Good stuff, good stuff. How to display stuff in the console in streamer bot. Log action? Da 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 da. Maybe I can do this. Work. The contextual keyword variable may only appear within a local variable, declaration, or in script code. If I do string, would that work? So would this work? Let's see if this works. I'm actually gonna lose my mind. Gift. Totally not cat. N. Nope. It doesn't work. Oh well. It's worth a shot. Make this an int. This work? Are we playing League of Legends in Black Ops 3? Brother, what?
Now we playing League of Legends in Black Ops 3.
Anything but not terrorizing me in the stream, bro. Go play your Black Ops 3, okay? What are you doing here? Custom? Yeah, dang it. Hold up. Can I convert from int to string? Na, na, na. Na, na, na. Da, 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 da. All variable declarations in C#. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Can I do this? Would this work? Down, down. Da, 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 da. That's not the right line. And to just edit the object music rate, so there's barely gonna be any effort. Hey, if it works, it works. It all matters. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Probably gonna still do false TP gift. Totally not cat. Oh. Anything over here? Dun, 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 dun. Do, 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 do. Why does this not work though? It should be able to work. What variable type is input 0 in streamer bot? Text. No. Yo, welcome back, Donuts. How you doing? Hear weird dial tone? Yeah, it's perfect for the mindset that I'm currently in right now. Can I just wait, hold up. Maybe the solution was just this easy. Hold up. Command get global. I think it's not persisted. Uh input put one input one. This work? Get it? Dun, 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 dun. Hold up, let me check all the streamer bot inline functions. Why do people see green that they can't really mean anything? It's bad just because my chocolate bar has something called uranium don't mean bad? Yeah, you might want to check that out. Alright? You might want to check that out. Okay. In variables, inline functions. There we go. No. They're like a huge list of inlines. There we go. Why is my chocolate glowing? Must be a new flavor. Yeah, you're speedrunning the fall, being a resident of the Fallout universe. Might be the first coding stream I'll watch till the very end. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna stay online for too long. Maybe like a 1 more hour, I think, and then I'll be done. I don't have a lot of time today, so yeah. Okay, let's see. Exponential functions. A lot of math functions, Jesus. For one reason my school doesn't like Friday mail and just moved in instead gave us homework on that day. Okay. So you didn't even go to school Friday? That's pretty cool. Homework. Still got homework, but that's still pretty cool. At least I can sleep in now? Yeah. That's sick. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Da, 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 da. Do, do, do. Do, da, 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 da. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. But now the parents are complaining they want school in front of there's deadlines for the assignment sometimes. I'll go mental they had Friday back. One off day would be pretty cool actually. I would also start a riot if I had Friday off and then school would just you know put Friday back like in the as a day, school day. That would make me crash out, yep. Global set. Auto type. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Da, 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 da. So input. Da, 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 da. I would honestly just sleep in as a protest, totally not because I'm tired. There. Is it like an inline function to convert something to string? Well, I'm back with sounds. Welcome, Oxy. You gotta get rid of that badge thing, because you're back with sounds now. Also what? Hold up. Maybe I can do this. Math. Right. More than Ukyo is the best person, Dr. Stone. I love him more than Venti. More than Venti? Whoa, that's a high. That's a high bar. You said. I feel have to say honestly because I can't spell generally. The little spam pin emo, bro. Yes, more than Venti. Dang, that's insane. All right, input one. Wait, hold up. Maybe I can do an if statement here. Logic. Get. If else. If value of input 1 is uh uh if it equals a input now supports variable parsing. I can do a math command here, right? I should be able to do a math command here. Math. Look at math. If it equals right? If it equals an int. Thank you for the idea. F int. That work? Da, 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 da. Let's see if that will work. It gives me a random variable. Random integer. What, am I able to check? Aside says Yuki supremacy, gotta drink while coding, that's my number one rule. Thank you for the hydrate. Yeah, I need to drink. Maybe that'll enlighten me. There we go. Okay, let's see. Number literal? How to check if input 1 is a integer inside if statement in streamer bot. An answer. Less than, greater than. Use a numeric comparison like less than, greater than on input 1. So let's treat it as a number. Make sure your test uses the value of input 1 in the argument syntax. What? Whoa, no, I don't want it. I'm actually clicking on a YouTube video. Do. Make sure your test uses the value of input 1. What does that mean? We don't ensuring if it meets the conditions of being greater than or equal to 0, not equal to a non-integer value. This work? Now with the custom music? Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Globals. Logic. If input 1 is null or empty, it's null or empty, just break immediately, do a reply. Your input, you didn't input a number. See if this works. Da, 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 da. Let me get rid of this. Rid of this. Actually, no, let me disable this. There we go. Okay, Twitch reply. Paste another break here, just in case it goes through. So Um, TP gift. Totally. Take care now. I'm watching free. I might be back later. Who knows? Still have movements too fast. I got you. I'm probably not gonna be online after you come back because I'm gonna go in an hour. But yeah, have fun with freerun, alright? And thanks for the hydrate. Appreciate you. And a workout. Wonderful, thank you. Wanna keep fit? You know, yeah. True. Thank you. I'll do it right after I test this out. Aha. Okay, so that didn't work. I know, you still have. I know. I forgot UQ does this ad thing. I haven't watched that far, I think. That doesn't work. Biggest match. How to use regex match in streamer bot. Auto type. Go check a Rigus match. Use a regular expression to match variable contents. My friend has a manga literally 3 weeks before the first anime announcement. Really? Dang. Alright, see ya. See ya, Oxy. Did you read the manga? Of Frieren? Could do something funny. Oh, I'm scared now. I'm scared. What are you gonna do? You really? Okay, I have nothing now. Hey, you did 3 ice shocks on your own. That's insane. Props to you. That is insane. Da, 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 da. Down, down. This regex match. Int. That work? I still don't know how to use regex. Oh my god. No. No, stop with the ice shocks. Stop it. 7060p? It's going down. It's going down a lot. Game. Hey, you use ice shock, you're not getting nothing. Wait, what? Oh, bruh. Alright, goodbye. You really used. Okay. I see how it is, Oxy. I see how it is. Let's see how this works. Yes. To regular aim capture groups. Ba-ba-bum. Best part now, I can't leave. I need the raid to get enough TP for TV cap now. Or you could just leave now. Maybe you get enough TP in the next stream. Hope. Sorry, enough hope for for the next stream. Who knows? I mean, it's your call. Maybe I'll just do no raid just to spite you. Just so that you can get the TP cap increase. Wouldn't that be funny? Only have 750 open. I start next stream, get my bonus though. More, you got Steam running? No, I need my hope. Who's gonna stop me? Who's gonna stop me? You? Don't make me laugh. You mean the stream or Steam? I don't have Steam running right now. I'm currently trying to Evil Cat. Okay, fair. Evil Cat might be able to stop me. No Steam? I don't have Steam running right now, no. There we go. Shame? Why do you mean shame? I'm doing coding. Why would I have Steam open? Let's get them cheaper though. Yeah, but it will get reset after an hour, so you might have just wasted that. Is this every hour now? Fair. No, it doesn't reset every hour. It resets every time uh I stop the stream, and I'm gonna head out in an hour, so that's why. Ice Talk still only gets reset after the stream ends. Yeah. Reset every hour with the idea though? Maybe I could do that idea when there's much more or many more people in the stream. That would be a suggestion, a good suggestion. But right now, I feel like TP costs are really hope like TP redemptions cost a lot of HP hope. So it's gonna take a while for that to get rolling. And check Discord and read the full name of the game I'm running. Alright. Hold up. Yeah, I know that game. I have it on my Steam list as well. My library, I think. Oh, you could be going now. Alright, A-Rock, see ya. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Appreciate you. When are you streaming it? Maybe later. I don't know nothing about the game. Not like later, but like not like later right now. Jeez, I can't talk. But when I put it in the games wheel, maybe if I get it, then I'll stream it. But right now, I'm worrying about coding. Gute Nacht. Yo, gute Nacht. Ey, Rock, see ya. Schlaf gut, ja? Okay, hold up. COVID? What do you mean COVID? What? What? Did I miss something? How to use regex match. Regex tutorial. What? What am I watching? Regular expression regex. Sequence of characters defines a search pattern. Many use of pattern matching the strings such as finding, replacing, validating text. File name, letters, numbers, underscores. Regex checks if the file name is valid along letters, numbers, underscores. Okay. Hold up. C sharp. So if input regex match, how do I use regex match outside of this? Regex match. Do like this, right? Do this. Not like this. Like this. This. Race match. Uh, 0 to 9. I don't want numbers. Is that how it works? Got bored, but I'm back now. Welcome back, welcome back. That's how it works. Foxu, how you doing? Welcome. How are you? What are you doing today? Still working on code. I'm not doing anything else. I'm working on code for an hour and then I'm going because I don't have a lot of time today. But yeah. I'm currently learning regex. I don't know what this is. Hopefully that'll help me with the code with TP gifting. Cause yeah. TP gift totally what? Cat, let me check if this works. Okay, so that doesn't work. How do I use regex match inside the variable thing? How is regex match in streambot? Yeah, how do I use it? Following examples used in Peters. How many times? Are you using Nightbot? No, I'm using StreamerBot. That's the thing I'm using for all this. And it's very weird. I mean, I've gotten used to it, but it's very weird. Exact range of repetitions. Okay. Oh, I use Nightbot. That's the reason why I'm asking. Oh yeah. I've seen a lot of streamers use Nightbot, but somebody recommended me StreamerBot to use, so I started with that, and now I'm too deep into like try anything else. Way too deep in it. Can you specify how many times? Dollar symbol. First, ensures the match ends at the end of the string. So I don't need that. I understand. Yeah, it's been a little bit rough, but anything else? It's been so would this work? My specific type of characters. Digit. A, B, C matches A, B, or C. I guess I'll just try this. Hopefully this works. Let me try this again. Gift. I really want to get this to work before I go. Holy not cat 10. Wait, did it work? Wait, hold up. Okay, that's good. TP gift. Totally not cat. Haha. It works! It works! It works! It works! Yes! Chair abuse! Chair abuse! Come here! Oh yeah, oh yeah. I almost did a drop kick. If I do a drop kick, I'm actually gonna hurt myself. I shouldn't do that. Wait till the chair drop kicks you back. Yeah, I'ma not risk it. Why is my stream boxes DX race? Because it works. The code
Why
works.
is my streamer boxing his DX racer?
Let's go. Thank you, Farshu. Let's go. Thank you, Cat. We've actually did it. So wait, hold up. I don't need all of this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Hold up. Wait. Can somebody input a? Let me try. Let me try inputting a negative number. TP gift. Totally not cat minus 10. Okay, so that also works. Which kind of sucks, but I think we have a failsafe for this, right? We have a failsafe for this? I think we have a failsafe. Alright, leaving now? Hey. See ya, RC. Have fun with Fearin. I thought you already left, but apparently not. Fox, you don't have to do the ad. You just have to input the username. Hold up. Yeah, and you have to also like have -10 together. So just like I wrote the first time. But that works, so hold up. If it's a string, it should work. But can I exclude something? What if I type in like TP gift totally not cat ahaha 10? Would that work? Okay, never mind, we got some more issues. Okay, so that also works. We only want it to be that. Only want it to be digits. Okay, we're getting somewhere though. We're getting somewhere. I need to learn regex now. Finds an exact range of repetitions. First match starts at the beginning of the string. Digit 3 matches 0 and 9. All symbol ensures a match at the end. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, wait. I think I might have it. So if I just do this, no, not this, this, right? Boom, there we go. And a $sign right here. Maybe that will work. Or it should do the TP gift totally not cat 10 should work, so let me try haha 10. That also still works. Okay, what did I do wrong? Do I have to do this? Pop and a $sign right here. $sign right here. So I'll get rid of this. Boom. TP gift totally not at haha 10. Let's fucking go! Yeah, I actually figured it out. God dang regex match. Where were you? I needed you like 2 streams ago. God dang it. Okay. Now let me try a negative number. TP gift totally. That's good. Yeah, it's. I'm so happy. -10. So that, okay. So now I don't even need the negative thing. Where's the... His name doesn't exist. Put up. Import matches regex. Ba-da-da-ba. Okay, let me invalid invalid or valid or negative number. There we go. Now it only accepts only accepts that. So okay, target if target username equals username. Can I gift yourself? Yeah, that's fine. If input, I can get rid of this. I don't need this. Have that in the regex match. I gift yourself, that's fine. Okay, everybody, let's try it now. Okay? Let's try this. Let me get rid of this break. So now it should work. Everything should be working now. How much TP do I have? I will actually lose TP now. Okay. Who wants some TP, alright? Who wants to be a test subject? Who wants to be a test subject? Who wants to be the test subject? Fox 2, oh yeah, Fox 2, you need some TP. Let me give you some TP. TP gift, Fox Chew, TTV. TP gift, yeah, I'll give you 20. Okay, that's not awesome. That should, okay, so what's the issue? Okay, hold up. Do. Okay, hold up. Do. Alright, hold up. Do. So if I do, hold up. I think I might have the solution for this. If I do this, would that work? Let's see. TP gift Fox Chew TTV 20. No, that still doesn't work. Alright. Some bugs I have to fix still? Yeah, I have some bugs I have to fix. But we're getting to the end of this, which is beautiful. Do. Down, 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 down. Believe you can figure it out. Thank you for the. Thank you for believing in me. I got this. I'm so close to the end. No, no, no. By the way, love the music. Love Undertale. Yeah, it's so good. Undertale, Deltarune, Toby Fox just keeps on cooking, man. The music is so good. What if I do this? Would this work? Da da da. Da da no 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 no. No 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 no. No 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 no. Would this work? Yes, you know Toby Fox is a dog, the one annoying dog. Yeah. Toby Fox, the annoying dog. How does he keep getting away with this, Tricky Tony? TP gift. Let's check it again. Fox shoot. ET V 20. Still doesn't work. Okay. So what is the issue? I opened the door and I kind of figured it out. So funny. The door in Waterfall with like the piano thing, the piano puzzle. You mean that door? Yeah, the annoying dog stealing the artifact. Tricky Tony. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Da, 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 da. Oh, wait, of course this doesn't work because I have it like this. Hold up. There we go. This should work. Now the other door before you go to Snowden. The other door before you go to Snowden. So in the ruins? Which door? I haven't played Undertale in so long. Almost it's like in between Snowden and ruins. Oh, you mean the with the door with the Deltarune symbol on it, right? That door with like the glowing mushrooms, the blue glowing mushrooms, I think. You mean that door? Yes? Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah. I never figured that out on my thing, but somebody told me that it's where isn't that where So Sorry is? Or someone I don't know who was behind that door. Yeah. Alright, let's test it out. TP gift. I wanna annoying dog, Toby Fox. Oh, it's where he is? Whoa. It works. So that works. Hold on, let me try TP gift. Fox Chew. ETV. Let's do a minus thing. Okay. Minus 10. Minus 10 shouldn't work. Okay, good. Minus doesn't work. It cost me 10. Yeah, it cost you 10, but Evil Cat got nothing. Because the Evil Cat has a cap of 1. Of course Evil Cat got nothing. Now you should add like a failsafe. If somebody wants to... It works. Should I add a failsafe so that nobody... No? Okay. Leave it like this. Okay, got you. Let me give you a real number, or let me try another failsafe right now, or another debugging thing. Actually, you'll get your TP soon. Trust me. I'm gonna just do more debugging. Okay, wonderful. All right, nice. So TP gift. Box 2. I agree with KitKat. Nice. Okay, so I'll leave it like that. I won't add a failsafe, so everybody loses their TP. Give you 20. It works. It works. It works. Can you check your TP, Fox 2? As punch card. Let me. What? No, no, wait, why? What? No. No, 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 no. What? Wait, what? Wait, is it because your TP cap is at? Can you check your Can you check your TP? Wait, what? What? What is happening? What is happening? Okay, okay, what is happening? Why? That makes sense. That's correct. Let me do 0 to 9. This. Oh, would this work? What the hell did you do? I don't know. Okay, this is the first. This is my first time using regex thing. Try. Well, I'll try this again. Fox 2, TTV 2. Why is 2 an invalid number? What? Oh wait, hold up. It's an even number. I don't know. Maybe hold up. Um. Da, 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 da. This work? TP gift. Fox 2 PTV 2. No, that still doesn't work. TP gift Fox 2 TV 2. Invalid. Okay, hold up. What if I do this? Would this work? Hold up, maybe that works. TP gift. Gift. Box 2 TTV 2. Okay, that works. What does you still have 0 though. Why is that? That's the only issue left. Why do you have 0? I lost my TP, right? TP? Right, or I still have it. Yeah, I keep losing my TP, so that works. This doesn't work. Well, let me check the global variables. Fox 2, where are you? There we go. You use a TP cap unknown. Is it because it's unknown? Hold up. Okay, well you might have found the issue. If I gift. Okay, hold on. Let me check if I can shoot to TV. If I do 2.0, that won't work, right? Okay. If I do TP gift, I'm unknown. we'll fix that. TP gift, totally not cat. If we gift totally not cat 10, that should work, right? What? Huh? Why does that not work? Why is 10 an invalid number now? Oh, this regex thing is messing with my mind. Okay, hold up. So I do 029, right, like this. And expression A, B, C will give AC, A, B, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, 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 C, and so on. Eight, 029. What if, would this work? TP, oh my god, there's so much troubleshooting. TP gift, Fox 2, TV, N. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, let's try this again. TP gift Fox Jew TV. Let me grab this copy because I don't want to lose my. There we go. 10. Nope, still not. Still no. No. Uh, what if I get rid of this? Let's do this. Would that work? Maybe that'll work. TP gift Fox Shoe TV. Nope, that doesn't work. Hmm. Wonder why it doesn't work. Yeah, I'm wondering that too. If I do this, would this work? TP gift Fox 2 TV. That doesn't work. Why does that not work? Down, 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 down. Down, down. Maybe I have to do this. Does that work? I don't think this would work, but I'll try. If Fox 2 TV. Nope. That doesn't work. Try this. Maybe that'll work. TP gift Fox 2 TV. At this point, I'm gonna just copy paste it because keep typing it in. Oop. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Maybe this will work. Nope. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe this will work. Oh. Would this work? Oh. Alright, so how do I go about fixing this? I don't have a lot of time, I need to do this quick. There we go. Let me just try this. So it should work, right? Yep, that works. Okay, that works. Wait, this should also work, right? Yep, that also works. This work? That also works. Every time you type it sounds like ASMR. Alright, let me try 09. Would this work? That doesn't work. So I'm just do this and then check. How do I remove something? Yep, and then do accept for minus dot this, I guess. Alright, let's check it out. That works. Does this work? That also still works. You have to put this before like this. Yeah. Minus dot this. This work? I'm in the house. Check it out. I'm in the house. Like carpet. That works. Does this work? Also still works. This shouldn't work, right? This also works. What? This work? Yeah, that works. Of course, that should work. This still works. This as well. Okay, hold up. But this work? That works. Does this work? Awesome. Jesus. Okay, hold up. There we go. Would this work? That works. This would still work, right? Yep. But this shouldn't work. Nope, everything still works. That's peculiar. Very peculiar. This work? That doesn't work. Okay, so I think I know. I think I know now. So if I do this minus dot like this should work, right? Never mind. This work? A lot of troubleshooting going on. That doesn't work. That works. That also works. Okay, why does that work? Um, 0, 0 to 9. Does that work? If I do it like this? That doesn't work. Okay. Put it in these brackets. This work? Okay, that works. Okay, good. That works. Now let me try this minus that work. That works. Okay. That also works for some reason. That also works for some reason. Let me try. Maybe that won't work. Okay, that works. I don't know why this particular thing doesn't want to work. I do this. Maybe this will work. That works. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. What if I do this? That also works? What if I do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Would this work? That works. That also. Come on. Hold up, maybe. Maybe if I do minus. Da, 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 da. And one in here as well. Just measure. Would this work? This looks sketchy. That works. Why does this work? Okay. If I do this, this should be all digits, right? So this should work. Wait, I didn't even do that. This should work, right? Yep. This should also work. But if I put a letter in here, that doesn't work. Take a break and have a drink. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate the hydrate. Appreciate the hydrate. Oh wait, it matches the preceding character. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, hold up. I think I might have it now. Maybe. Who knows? Also insanely locked in right now since I'm adding all the missing sprites. Nice. We're both locked in. Both locked in. I forgot to add a tumble ability, bruh. No worries, you'll don't rush yourself, alright? Don't rush yourself. You got it. So this should work, right? Never mind. Because of this. Because of this, I think. This should work now. Yep. Now let's do another piece minus. Yeah, let's test it out. Nope, that still doesn't work. What am I missing? What am I missing? Would this work? Okay, this works, right? Yep. Alright, let's start from square one. So this makes it be digit only. Makes it that it's digit only. Wait, this is C++. Okay, that's why. Okay, hold up. C sharp. You copy and paste it. This, if I copy and paste it, won't work because I have to do it in here, and this like C sharp code won't work, unfortunately. Yeah. Hold up, maybe I think I'm starting to understand a little bit. So 09. Alright, so if I do this, should work. Okay, that works. Good. This tells us, okay, this should be at the beginning. There should be a number at the beginning. Or, no, not a number. It should be 0 to 9 at the beginning. This should still work, right? Yep. Would this work? Still works, okay. But this shouldn't work, right? Yes, okay. I finally understood it. Okay, good. And now, let me exclude. Let me exclude minus, dot, and commas. Perfect, that works. That still doesn't work. What if I do this? This work? That doesn't work. Okay. But this works. Alright, now I just have to figure this out. Figure out how to get rid of this. Wait, shouldn't this work off rip? Then? Alright. Minus. Okay, no. Okay, so I need the... Okay, hold up. Maybe I can just do this. Should start and end with a number. Any repeating number is fine. Maybe it's just that easy. That works. Perfect. That shouldn't work. And this shouldn't work either. Yes! Woo! It works! Short coding stream going for almost hours, but should we spamming in the chat? Bro, I'm debugging, dude. This is code. This is how it works. Let me delete this. Alright, let's check. Okay, let me check if I gift somebody. TP gift. Bug this my guy? But I'm gonna debug your face in a second. Totally not.
Debug this my guy.
Cat. Let me try this. 20. Okay. What does debug 2 do? Oh. This. Right, hold up. How much TP do I have? TP. Let me get rid of this. I have 58 TP. How much TP does... That's not it. How much TP does cat have right now? Cat... Fully not cat. There we go. 68. Okay, so if I do TP gift totally not cat 20, it works. Ah, it works. Okay, so for cat it works. For fox it doesn't, which means that and yeah, you set. That's good. Yes, sir. That's good. That uses streamer to true. And now let me fix the thing that you have. Hold up. Get globals. Global get. It's the user redeemer. Alright, let me troubleshoot yours now. User TP cap default value of 100. There we go. Foxy, can you type a message in chat? Another message? Let's check if yours... That's unknown right now. So once you type in a new message, it should... Yeah, there we go. Nice. Your TP set to 100. Cap set to 100. So... Let's... test out giving you TP now. TP gift. Fox shoot. Dang, you're doing a tension max. Jeez, you got 100 TP now, right? Let me check. Yeah, you have 100 TP now. Wonderful. All right, I'll give you your TP back. Let me just try something. Alright, 0. So I can actually try gifting you stuff. The gift, box, shoe, TTV, 30. Wonderful, it works. Now you have 30 TP. And I have 8. Alright, check your TP again for me. There we go, now it works. Let me get you back to 100. Da 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 da. Ah, it's so beautiful. It actually works. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It works. It took so long. It took so long. But it works. There we go. Oh, thank God. It took too long. You were taking too long. You took too long. Yes, I knew you could do it. Thank you. Thank you for believing in me. It took a long time, but we got it to work. We actually got it to work. Which is wonderful. That command doesn't work, unfortunately. But I appreciate the sentiment. That command also doesn't work. Attack doesn't work. I have disabled right here. Oh my god. Thank God. Alright, I'll be right back, okay? Let me just do something. I'll be right back. Woo! I'm back. It's like we're actually in the shop. Wow. Yeah, it's like you're in Spamton's shop, aka my shop when my face cam is on. In Creepy the Clown shop. I'm in debt, alright? You see that minus 1,997 chromer? I'm in debt. Anyways, okay, that works. Ooh, Punch Card, you got gifted TP. Check your TP, bruh. Hold on, let me. There we go. Wonderful. Now 12 TP. Thank you. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? TP gifting now works. Now you can coordinate a lot of stuff. Now you can coordinate a lot of stuff. Must use this for evil. Ouch. Ouch. Nice root buster. How much HP do I have? I have a lot, right? HP. Yeah, I gotta change my HP, hold up. I would like a glam burger, please. One glam burger coming right up. Hold on, let me cook it up in the kitchen. Hey, Tedda! Watch these people, alright? While I cook up a glam burger. Boom, boom. I got a glam burger. Got a glam burger, right? It's you gotta pretend there's a glam burger right here, okay? There we go. I'm gonna throw it through the screen, okay? Get ready to catch. Boom. Rubus is legit a tickle, bro. Yeah. Hold up, let me change my HP. Because and my HP cap, because I only have 20 for this. I wanna get rid of that. Here. HP cap is HP cap should be 240, right? Because I died twice, 24 times, right? No. 240. Change it to how much damage did I take? Okay, hold up, let me count. I took 35 damage and 3 ice shocks. So 10, 12, that's 22. How many ice shocks did I take? Can somebody check? Yummy, thanks, I caught it. Delicious, wonderful. Hopefully I didn't burn it in the kitchen. I spammed so many commands, I don't think... Okay, hold on. Let's just say I took 4 ice shocks. So 10, 12, 14, 17, that's 40. Let's just say 60 damage. 60 damage. And and another 35 from Root Buster, so 95 damage. 240 minus 90. That's 150 minus 5, 145. There we go. How about that? There we go. Isn't that wonderful? HP. There we go. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Now it works. So I have 145 HP. I have 240 max HP with a cap of 240. And yeah, anything else I'm missing? I don't think so. I don't think so. Alright. So I'm gonna actually leave it off here as well. Cause I got the TP gifting to work. Okay, next time, hold up, let me check the Discord. Let's check the suggestions. Repeat the suggestions. Yeah, it's to keep track, okay? So TP gifting done. Completed. Heal damage rankings, the next thing that we're gonna do. And yeah, after that, maybe I'll do. If the chat kills creepy, the chat needs to propose a funny challenge for creepy to do. So incentives, pretty much. I already know it's an incentive, for keeping me alive. If you keep me alive, till the end of the stream, okay, I'll make it so that, the amount of healing that everybody did, you'll get back, you'll get that, the equivalent of the amount of HP you healed me, you get that in hope points. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, or maybe in TP. We'll see. No, I think probably in hope points and hope. I think that's good. I have to figure out how to convert, add a command that turns a number from there into hope and on the Twitch. Maybe there is a command. Let's check. A sec. Channel clips, yeah. Polls. Trade rewards. Figure rewards. Get reward info. Let's configure rewards too. Oh, okay. That's good to have notes. Yeah, it helps me keep track of all the things, of all the cool ideas that um chat me have. Can't find it. Maybe I can hold on, let me Google. How to uh how to increase Twitch points. How to increase a user's Twitch points through through stream bot. Is there a way? Dun, 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 dun. A way to do this? Stream up points core system, which has specific Twitch specific settings for how many points people earn from events like follows and bits. What does this do? It's a new multi-platform points system, works on all four of streamers' platforms. This allows you to interact in many ways, also seen as a replacement Twitch channel point system for non-affiliates and for those on YouTube. But I am an affiliate. Nothing of value over there. Dun, dun. Maybe I need to figure something else out. Yeah, I'll figure something out. Anyways, so that's it for today. I've been streaming for 3 hours. I thought it would take a lot longer. I legit thought I wouldn't be able to make the TP gifting thing work in today's stream, but hey, it did work. Regex match helped out a ton, and yeah, that makes me happy. That makes me happy. So I haven't finished my project though. No worries, you'll get it. You'll get it. It's a work in progress. Yes sir, yes sir, it's a work in progress. And we got a lot of work done today. A lot. Mainly TP gifting working fully without any mistakes and everything. And yeah. So we're gonna check out if anybody's streaming right now. To raid. Yep. Doesn't work. It's a letter. It's a letter. Letters don't get accepted. You need numbers. So, but thank you for testing that out. Bye, have a great and positive day. You too, you too. Everybody that's still here, stay in this stream because we'll see who will we raid. It's me, Skinny. Yo, how you doing? It's me, Skinny. Welcome to the stream. You came at a very, very inopportune time because I'm ending it right now. Nine is technically a number, but not a number. Yeah, but it's like it only accepts numbers, like numbers from 0 to 9. It doesn't accept anything else. That's how I made it. Stayed in between. There's There's a room in between, like Clopen. Wait, is Sans the Forgotten Man? Imagine Sans the Forgotten Man. Clopen, a state in between? Hold up. New theory incoming? Sans' guess. Fair. Cat is streaming Hollow Knight. Oh yeah, we're gonna raid Cat, everybody. Okay, so thank you to everybody that was in the stream. Alright, appreciate you all so much. Much love. I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's stream, alright? Same time, 12 p.m. And we will be playing some Cult of the Lamb. And who knows, maybe I'll collab with Shirono Majo? I think I keep butchering that name. We rated them not last time, but we rated them I think on Monday or Tuesday, one of those days, where we played Cult of the Lamb. So we might do a multiplayer, like co-op Cult of the Lamb session. We'll see. Anyways, yeah, that's it. So, see you, everybody. Have a great day.
A bit to top it all of L'Oreal 67 Aguaguaga 77 Quindecillion 777 Quatuordecillion 777 Tridecillion 777 Duo